Hello guys, it's been a long time I didn't make a video because it's just a busy every day. So today I want to show you if how sandstorm it is outside. I'm here in Kuwait guys. Have you seen it that it's too much dusty outside? Today is sandstorm here in Kuwait. Yes.
This is for who?
I don't know for who.
For me?
I don't know. Yeah, and we have curfew. It's 5 to 5, but I don't know why they are still outside though. I don't know. Still, there's a cars outside. You see? So it's so dusty, guys. Yes. And today, this little boy is birthday today. Say happy birthday to him.
Happy. Lale.
Yes.
Lale. From Sabudistan.
Yeah, come here, come here. Come. Where? Beb, asan yung food ni Babo? Yung food ni Babo? Sa kanya ba to lahat? Ah. Yeah, 1 minute more. 1 minute more, I said. Still, Badr, still. Badr, still not finished time. And that is Badr's gift today. You see how beautiful it is. Oh, it's like here. Yeah, still 1 minute, Baduri. Badr, no, 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 no. And you see, this is our house. Just now finished a celebration. We celebrate the birthday for my baby boy, Baduri. Already clean up. No more mess. No more mess. Ouch! And that is me. Hi. And there's a gift for Baduri. And that is for my madam's room. And this is for my brother's room. Yeah, charam. This is his bed. And that is my partner. Say hi to them. Wait, don't bump your... Bawal pala. Wait, baby, wait. Baduri naman eh. I'm vlogging.